VA Medical Center in Washington, D.C. takes care of veterans from all walks of life. On this cold January weekend, it's focusing on a select group of heroes, those who are homeless and at risk.
Like them blues, man, always did.
Marshall McNeil served 5 years in the Marine Corps. He was homeless for a time some years ago, but to this day, at 63,
Morning.
he's still considered at risk.
Veterans, many times, it's not people who are necessarily homeless, it's people who are underemployed and, one paycheck away from being homeless.
I'm amazing for an old man. How about you, young man?
Today, the Vietnam vet is here for the Medical Center's 2015 Winter Haven stand down.
All of the yellow stops are mandatory stops, and the rest of them are optional.
It's a full day of free services
How you doing, man?
aimed at leading homeless and at-risk veterans to independence and improved health.
So if you follow this hallway down,